You are going to love the 2022 Silverado 2500 HD. This pickup truck pulls unlike any other. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear step bumper, alloy wheels, remote keyless entry, speed control, front wheel independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, traction control, brake assist. Escape the mundane and embrace the thrill of a lifetime behind the wheel.